Welcome to the Kamado Joe Fundamentals series. We'll teach you the principles for great grilling and great flavor. Smoke is the flavor we all crave. It transforms everything it touches. Here are a few basics for getting started. A little smoking wood goes a long way. You don't need to see smoke coming out of your grill to know it's working. A few chunks are just fine. In fact, if you use too much, your food may taste bitter. If you've ever smoked food on a different cooker, you might think you need to put a pan of liquid in with the food while it cooks. You don't. The Kamado Joe's design creates a moist cooking environment that makes tender, flavorful meats every time. Next, you need to know that smoking is an art, not a science. There is no one right way to do this. Let your taste guide you. Different smoking woods give your food different aromas and flavor intensities. So for something like beef brisket, try a high-intensity wood like hickory or mesquite. Or if you're smoking some chicken, a light-intensity fruit wood is a good pairing. Remember, you can always add more smoking wood if you need to, so start with less and add more as you go. You can also smoke nuts, cheese, fruit, and more on your grill for incredible flavor. The more you smoke on your Kamado Joe, the more you'll master this delicious technique.